Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite with two players on the Nintendo Switch 2. In order to do this, you will need two different controllers. So for one controller I'm just going to use the Joy-Cons, and for the second controller I'm going to use this one that I have laying around. Now the first thing that you want to do is pair both controllers. So you will just go into the controller section here on your Nintendo Switch 2, then click on change grip/order, and you want to press the L and right button here on your Joy-Cons. That's going to pair the first controller, and then you have to pair the second one using the same method. For me it's already paired, so I'm just going to press on the button here, and this is going to make it load up and show up, hopefully, as you can see. Alright, so once you have paired both controllers, then you want to load up Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2, and you should be able to play some of the modes with two players on the same Switch. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.